What's up, everybody? This is Captain Jake with Captain Jake's Guide Service. Got some unfortunate news today. I went and picked up my group this morning off their dock, and we stopped in our first spot to go fishing, and I noticed that 3 rods are missing off the boat, 3 rods and reels, and my iPilot remote for my trolling motor was missing too. Turns out someone hopped over the fence at the storage unit where we keep the boat last night and stole the stuff. Luckily, we're still able to catch fish with our group today and have a great time, but just as a reminder to everyone, make sure you keep your stuff locked up or have a camera, because you never know when your stuff can get stolen. Thanks, have a great day.